Hey guys, this is Northville Tech. In this video, we're going to learn how to view your Chime account number and routing number. Open the website, then click Login. Now, log in with your email address and password. Before you proceed, a verification code will be sent to your phone number to help secure your account. Once you receive the code, enter it, then click on Verify. Once you're logged in, you will see a drop-down arrow beside your name, located at the upper right part of the screen. Click on the drop-down arrow. On the drop-down list, you will see an option for account numbers. Click on Account Numbers. And now you will see your routing number and account number. That's how you view your Chime account number and routing number. Thank you so much guys for watching, and if you have not yet subscribed to our YouTube channel, please subscribe to our YouTube channel as we create tech videos related to financial apps almost every day. Also check out our website northvilletech.com for great tech articles, and our recommended resources in the description below for various sign-up bonuses.